Hello friends. So our yesterday's lecture we are discussing the organic acids. So today's lecture we are discussing the organic solvents. So जसे की ऑर्गॅनिक ॲसिड्स असतात त्या प्रकारचे ऑर्गॅनिक सॉल्वंट असतात. द कमर्शियली इम्पॉर्टंट ऑर्गॅनिक सॉल्वंट सच ॲज इथेनॉल, such as ethanol, acetone butanol, okay, glycerol, here, okay, here is a organic solvents, ethanol or alcohol, acetone, butanol, glycerol, it is known as a organic solvents. These the compounds were mostly being produced in a petrochemical industry and little attention was paid for their microbial production. So nowadays these the organic solvents are the produced by the different type of the microorganisms using the biological substances and then to the carry out the fermentation technology. In this the fermentation technologies, the temperature, pH, it is important features for their growing and their yield in that of the fermentation chambers. Okay, the some organisms are the aerobic and the anaerobic in nature because it is an important role for their production of the organic solvents. Okay, why this the important roles? Because of this the solvents we are know about this the solvents are there volatile in nature, then it react with the any type of the gases or the any type of the atmospheric oxygen, nitrogen, they react it and they are the release in the outside of the environment and forming the another bond reaction with the another gases. That is the reason is that we are designing this the organic solvent in the fermentation technology. The one precaution is needed for to this is that we are not interact with the any other gases. The nature of this the organic solvents, the volatility of this the organic solvents, it is a firstly prepare before their fermentation designed to their production purposes. Okay, तर हे काय आहे त्याचे प्रिकॉशन्स होते कारण की आपल्याला माहिती आहे की जे ऑर्गॅनिक सॉल्वंट्स असतात इट इज अ वोलॅटाइलिक इन नेचर अँड इट इज इंटरॅक्ट विथ द एनी अदर टाइप ऑफ द गॅसेस. ओके, so the alcohol or the ethanol, acetone, butanol, glycerol, it is a organic solvent. So here we are discussing this organic solvents one by one. So firstly we are discussing the alcohol or ethanol. So what is the applications? We are already discussed the application. It is important before their fermentation design. Okay, alcohol we are know about the alcohol. It is a disinfectant agent. Disinfectant agents. It is act as a disinfectant agent. We all know that the various sanitizers in the Dettol they are the containing the 75%, 95% of this the ethanol for the disinfectant purposes. So main important feature is this the organic solvent is a ethanol is a disinfectant agents. So it is mainly produced in these the various vinegars and the डिस्टिल अँड द बियर इंडस्ट्रीज. द बियर इंडस्ट्रीज वगैरे जे असतात त्याच्यामध्ये काय होतो हायर अमाऊंटमध्ये अल्कोहोल काय होतो प्रोड्यूस होतो. व्हॉट इज द जनरल फॉर्म्युला ऑफ दिस द इथेनॉल? C2H5OH. C2H5OH. According to the molecular formula, it contains the 2 atoms of the carbon, 5 atoms of the hydrogen and the 1 atom of the hydroxyl group is attached with the oxygen and form the hydroxyl group. Okay, it is a various application. It is using a disinfectant, it is using in some preservatives techniques. What is the concentration? It is important for their any purpose. Okay, in this the various beverages it is also containing the alcohol, but important in your mind is the concentration. It is important for their any purposes. Okay, So the ethanol has been produced by the fermentation for the thousand of the years. Here is a produced by the thousand of the years before is from the fermentations. Okay, हे जे अल्कोहोल्स प्रोड्यूस झालेले आहेत ते सर्वात अगोदर पासून जे आहे म्हणजे 100 of the years it is a produced from their fermentation technology. Fermentation technology, in this the microbes are the produce the ethanol by using the sugar, molasses, starch. Okay, it is as a carbon sources for their production. Here is also they were mostly associated with the beer and the distillery industries. At a present, most developed countries, it is produced the industrial alcohol by the chemical means, but nowadays there are the also produced by the chemical trades. So it is also act as a fuel. It is also is a one important applications fuel. We know about the nowadays the various renewable non-renewable resources are the scarce every day. That is the reason is that the various जे की फ्यूल्स जे आहेत जसे की जे आपले पेट्रोल्स वगैरे आहेत त्याचे कसे स्कार्सिटी झालेली आहे बिकॉज ऑफ दिस द पॉप्युलेशन आर द इन्क्रीजेस अँड द डिमांड्स ऑफ दिस द पॉप्युलेशन आर ऑल्सो इन्क्रीजेस. दिस इज द मेन रिजन फॉर द स्कार्सिटी ऑफरिंग ऑफ दिस द नॉन रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी सोर्सेस. That is the alternative is that by using the biological waste material for their production of that of the ethanol, it is increasing that the demand of that of the fuel in the industrial level or the economical level in the all the countries. Okay, आजचे जे नवीन जे आहेत तर त्याच्यामध्ये काय करत आहेत दिस इज प्रोड्यूसिंग द इथेनॉल फ्रॉम that of the using the biological material through the fermentation technology. Okay, now in this you all know about this the yeast. Okay, yeast it is a produces the ethanol. It is a higher quantity ethanol producing organism rather than to the another. Okay, it is a one type of the organisms and that using the sugar, molasses as the sources for their carbon and the nitrogen sources compound, then it's converted into the ethanol as a byproduct. Okay, तर वी आर नो अबाउट जर तुम्ही पाहिलं असतील तर आजचे जे पेट्रोल पंप्स आहेत त्याचे काही 20% प्रमाणे काय आहेत त्याच्यात इथेनॉल मिक्स करत आहे. जर तुम्ही कुठे पेट्रोल पंप्स किंवा एखादी इन्क्वायरी करा तुम्ही तिथं नाव म्हणजे आजच्या याच्यात त्याच्यात काय करत आहेत इथेनॉल मिक्स करत आहेत. अँड दीज आर द इथेनॉल इट इज प्रोड्यूस्ड थ्रू द बायोलॉजिकल सोर्सेस. ओके, here is the application. After this it is a important application. They are the produce the fermentation technologies. Microorganisms. The yeast, in this the microorganisms, the yeast are the bioethanol. That is the yeast strains are the Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Saccharomyces cerevisiae is the yeast are producing the ethanol by using the waste material. That is the material is that the starch or the sugar. Starch or the sugar is a material for requiring for their production of the bioethanol. Another yeast is the Saccharomyces ellipsoides. Saccharomyces ellipsoides, it is another yeast strain are the producing the ethanol by using the sources of the carbohydrates such as a starch and sugar like that of the Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Another is the Cleveromyces irregulis. It is also producing the starch. It is also producing the bioethanol by using the material same as like to the other yeast. Another is that the bacteria. Bacteria it is also produces the bioethanol by using the carbohydrate sources such as a Candida pseudotropicals. Candida pseudotropicals. Here is the microorganisms are the produces the bioethanol by using the carbohydrate sources such as the lactose and whey. We know about the various the milk industry. Whey is a waste product and this the waste product it is a useful for their production of the bioethanol. In this the various sugar industries, starch, wheat, molasses, it is a waste product and these the waste product are the important for their production of the bioethanol by using the yeast or the bacteria. Another bacteria is a Xyomonas mobilis. It is also produce the bioethanol by using the source of carbohydrates such as a starch. Another organism is that the C. utilis, Clostridium utilis. It is also producing the ethanol by using the sources of the carbohydrates such as a sulfate waste liquid. Sulfate waste liquid is a product for utilizing for the production of the bioethanol. Okay, here is a microorganism. Next is as the production process. Next point is the production process. What is the production process? In this, the one of the important thing is that, so according to the organisms, we are designing this the media. We are designing this the media. It is same requiring as a carbohydrate sources, nutrient sources, nitrogen sources, trace elements, minerals. Okay, they are presented in the waste material or also extra artificially added into that of the media for the increasing and the production of that of the media. Okay, one of the another important for the production process, one point it is important related to the production of the ethanol. Because of this the ethanol, it is a interact with the oxygen and it is a volatiling and disappearing on the oxygen for their prevention purposes. So we are the production process, it is carried out in an anaerobic condition. The first process it is carried out the aerobic condition, but after they are increasing the yield purposes, the aerobic condition it is a halted, then to the started the anaerobic condition. In this the anaerobic condition, it is important for the increasing the quantity of the bioethanol in this the fermentation process. It is important for their production process. Same like we are already discussed the carbohydrate sources, starch containing molasses, beet molasses, sugarcane molasses, woody like material, whey material, okay, whey waste material. It is a good sources of the starch, cellulose. Okay, cellulose sources are the also for their production of the bioethanol, because of the some organisms are consuming this the cellulose as a sugar, then it converted into the bioethanol. It is a production process. Then to the another point is that biosynthesis. Biosynthesis. In this the biosynthesis, we know that the glucose, in this the it converted into the pyruvate. It is a glycolysis process. In this the all the bacteria, in the respiratory bacteria, this is the reaction or the this is the pathway or the occurred. After this, in this the after this the pyruvate, in this the anaerobic condition, in the absence of oxygen and anaerobic condition, in this the anaerobic condition, it converted into the pyruvate into the acetaldehyde in presence of the enzyme pyruvate decarboxylase. In presence of the enzyme pyruvate decarboxylase, it converted into the acetaldehyde. Pyruvate dehydrogenase, and the one carbon atom is CO2 is released into that of the media. Then it's converted into the ethanol in presence of the alcohol dehydrogenase. Alcohol dehydrogenase, it converted into the ethanol. Alcohol dehydrogenase is the enzyme, it converted into the acetaldehyde into the ethanol in presence of the enzyme alcohol dehydrogenase. Okay, here is a biosynthesis process for their production of the alcohol in this the fermentation. Product recovery. So we are know about the distillation process. It is important for the process for isolation of the pure ethanol from these the solvents. Okay, in these the solvents there are contain the ethanol is a distillation process. We know about the distillation chamber. In this the distillation chamber, it is a one is a input and another is a output. In this the condenser, we are collecting the vapors and these the vapors are condensed, then it converted into the liquids, and this the liquid is a contain the our the pure fluid. सो जेव्हा त्याच्यामध्ये वॉटर असेल आणि द इथेनॉल असेल, वी नो अबाउट द इथेनॉल बॉइलिंग पॉईंट इज डिफरंट अँड द वॉटर बॉइलिंग पॉईंट इज अ डिफरंट. जेव्हा आपल्याला इथेनॉल त्याच्यातून आयसोलेट करायचं असेल तर आपण काय करणार, इथेनॉलचं बॉइलिंग पॉईंट इथं फिक्स करणार. आफ्टर दिस द इथेनॉल आर द गोईज टू द कंडेन्सर, वेपर्स निघणार त्याच्यामधले, जे वेपर जाऊन कंडेन्सरमध्ये कंडेन्स होणार, तिथून काय होणार, कूल होऊन ते लिक्विड आपल्याला भेटणार. ओके, हिअर इज अ फॉर देअर अल्कोहोल रिकव्हरी. ओके, another organic solvent is that the acetone butanol. Acetone butanol. Acetone butanol, it is another organic solvents. So both the acetone and the butanol are the good organic solvents. Which are the properties of this? The acetone butanol, it is a good organic solvent. Decided ago acetone was used as a gelating agent. The acetone कशासाठी यूज करतो? It is act as a gelating agent for the nitrocellulose in this the manufacturing of the explosive. For manufacturing of explosive in a nitrocellulose. It is also used as a dyestuff industry. It is also used in a dyestuff industry, and the butanol, it is required for the synthesis of rubber. तर butanol जे आहे ते काय सिंथेसिस ऑफ द रबर्स मध्ये यूज करू शकतो. आधीचे ऍप्लिकेशन कशाचे होते, ॲसिटोनचे होते. अँड दिस द butanol is for using for synthetic rubber. At the present antibiotic recovery, it is also used as a butanol. अँटीबायोटिकच्या रिकव्हरी सुद्धा आपण काय करू शकतो, ब्युटेनॉल यूज करू शकतो. हिअर इज अ प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ द ॲसिटोन ब्युटेनॉल. ओके, मायक्रो ऑर्गॅनिझम्स. Microorganisms, the Clostridium butylicium, it is a microorganisms are the producer the acetone and the butanol as a two organic solvents in these the three phases. तर हे काय करतो, ऑर्गॅनिझम्स थ्री फेसेस मध्ये काय करतो, ॲसिटोन ब्युटेनॉलचं प्रोडक्शन करतो. दिस ऑर्गॅनिझम इज अ क्लॉस्ट्रिडियम ब्युटॅलिशियम. Clostridium butylicium. Next is that the production process. Production process. So it required the 2 to 4% of that of the sugar in that of the media for their production of acetone butanol. It required the pH is a 5 to 6, 5.8 to the 6. So it required the temperature is that the 34 degrees Celsius. Temperature किती लागतो त्याला, 34 degrees Celsius. And how much the time required for this the 36 hours, म्हणजे 1.5 दिवस त्याला काय लागतो, फर्मेंटेशन होण्यासाठी 1.5 दिवस लागतो. ओके, here is a production process. Then to the product recovery is the same like to that of the using in a ethanol production. The distillation it is fixed for their vaporization of this the acetone, then the acetone butanol are the harvested. Last one is a glycerol. Glycerol is a one type of the organic solvents. Glycerol is widely used in a industry and the commerce. It is a particular important as a starting material of the manufacturing of explosive. It is so glycerol काय आहे, त्याचे आपण विविध प्रकारे यूज करू शकतो. विविध केमिकल्स मध्ये पण त्याचा यूज करू शकतो. वेरियस ऑइंटमेंट्स वगैरे याच्यामध्ये पण आपण याचा यूज करू शकतो. आणखी जर म्हणलं तर काही फार्मास्युटिकल सिरप्स मध्ये जसे की आय ड्रॉप्स मध्ये पण आपण काय करतो, ग्लिसरॉलचा यूज करू शकतो. ओके, The microorganisms the various algae, various bacillus subtilis are there producing the glycerol. Okay, there are the producing the glycerol. काही algae आहेत आणि काही जे आहेत जे bacillus subtilis micro organisms are there producing the glycerol. So it is required the 20 to 30% of the sugar. It required a 20 to 30% of the sugar for their production of the glycerol in that of the media. Okay, the time, temperature, the time and the temperature it is required for this, it is depends upon their nature of that of the bacteria. Algae require the temperature and the pH and the time is different for their production of the glycerol, and there are the bacillus subtilis, it require the pH, temperature and the time, it is a different. But one conclusion is drawn from this the production process. The 2 to 3 days accurately, the 2 to 3 days are required for their production of these the glycerol in that of the fermentation medium. Okay, the product recovery is the same like that of the ethanol recovery. The boiling point, that is a vapor point, it is a vaporize the point, it is important for their isolation of the organic solvents in that of the fermentation media. Because of the distillation chamber, it is applying for the boiling point of that of the solvents. Okay, so here we are completed the organic solvents though. So in this the next lecture we are starting the next point in that of the unit 2nd. So thank you for watching this video.